Today, I'm gonna show you how Quizlet works. Let's get started. So you are in the description of the video. The first link you see is that of Quizlet. So click on it and here you go. By scrolling down, you can see the list, the content. So you need to take a quick look first. You can also see original and alphabetical. So you need to do that, or flashcards is exactly the same first, so you can see the exact way I have put the answers. For example, here you see that I use full infinitive instead of bare infinitive, so you need to answer the same way. So go up, flashcards. So here you see both Greek and English. You can hear the pronunciation.
To walk.
And by going to options, you can change that Greek to English. Okay, you have the definition walk, and you can see vadizo by clicking on it. And when you do answer with English, okay, you have the Greek here, and by clicking you see the English word. And go back, learn. So we have lemma here, okay, and we have to put the answer in English. So glance, okay, correct, and so on. Press any key to continue, it says, and you can click on options again, and you can use to answer with Greek instead of English. You can choose here written questions or flashcard or multiple choice question or just multiple choice questions. Okay, anything you wish. And here, okay, you have multiple choice because you chose that. Careful, feminine, so προσεκτική, correct, and so on. And then right. So δεν γυρίζω, we are asked to answer in English. Okay, if we don't want that, we change it in Greek. Okay, and then I don't turn. Okay, and I'm typing then γυρίζω and correct. So don't forget to use options because they are very useful. You'll see. Spell, type.
Εδώ.
Okay, so εδώ. And then test. In options, okay, first we can see the question types. So if the test is already written in multiple choice system, so you have to leave only written, because matching multiple choice and true false don't work. But if it's vocabulary or something else, you can choose, of course, everything. And for question limit, keep in mind that Quizlet actually display up to 20 questions unless you choose the number. If the set is of 22 problems or 30 problems, you need to change it in order for Quizlet to display everything. Okay, let's see written. I think that we can see that also. Okay. Oh yes, see, I forgot that. So when you choose something, you have to click on it, create new test, in order to change it. For example, if I use all these and from to answer with Greek, I have to click on it again, okay, in order to have all these changes. And then when you do everything, you check answers. Oh my, I got 0. So you can see your mistakes or your right answers. You can print tests, of course, if you like it. And there are 2 options for just for fun. Match. They are very effective though. Match. Start game. Okay, and you see I have to match. Φτάνω, where is it? Reach. Βαδίζω, to go. Opa. Okay, yes, of course. Βαδίζω, to walk. And if I do that, of course, it doesn't work. And then gravity work better with vocabulary exercises. So let's see, we have difficulty easy, medium and hard. Okay, the same here. Okay, random, English, Greek, blah blah. And let's go. Okay, it's going down slowly. In the beginning, of course, to go. Πηγαίνω. Okay, πηγαίνω, and it disappears. If I give wrong answer, for example, εδώ, okay, nothing happens. Εδώ, nothing happens, because of course it's wrong. So now I can see, of course, the right answer. Okay, I have to write it down, γυρίζω, and I continue. That's Quizlet. I consider it an excellent learning tool. Let me know in the comment box what you think about it when you use it. Thanks for watching Learn Greek with Joe. Yeah.